In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Customize Index page within HubSpot in 2025. This is a really handy feature for those managing data and customer interactions, and we'll walk through it step by step to ensure that you can access and utilize it to streamline your workflow. To begin, let's navigate to the user guide through HubSpot. You'll want to open your favorite web browser and type in the URL, or simply follow the provided link to the HubSpot user guide page. Once you've arrived at the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted with it. This guide serves as a central hub for all things related to managing your HubSpot account, so getting comfortable navigating here is definitely worthwhile. Next, let's direct our attention to the settings area. You can easily find the settings by locating and clicking on the gear or wrench icon, common symbols for settings in most applications, including HubSpot. Selecting this will open up a wealth of options that allow you to customize your HubSpot experience even further. Take a deep breath and don't let the variety overwhelm you. We're focused on a particular path today. Now, within the settings, you're going to look for an option labeled Objects. This is where HubSpot categorizes the various entities you might be interacting with, like contacts, companies, or deals. Clicking on Objects will unfold more tailored options and features specific to these entities. As we continue, next on our journey is to click on Deals. The Deals section is where you will manage your business's transactions, enabling you to keep track of your sales pipeline. It's a crucial component for ensuring that your sales processes flow smoothly and efficiently. And finally, to get to our ultimate destination of customizing your index, locate and click on Index Customization. This feature allows you to tailor how your deals information is displayed and organized, aligning with your unique business needs. Here, you can modify which columns appear and adjust their order, ensuring you have quick access to the information you find most relevant. Once you're done in the index customization area, feel free to experiment with different customizations to see how they impact your workflow. This is a powerful way to ensure that your HubSpot setup is working for you as effectively as possible. And there you have it, a straightforward route to the Customize Index page within HubSpot, empowering you with the ability to tailor your interface to maximize efficiency and effectiveness. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this guide helps you optimize your HubSpot usage to better serve your business needs.